Hi folks, how to clear the entire cache of Windows 11 or Windows 10. Here in my case I am with Windows 11. Just type Windows plus R key. This will open this window. Type first command prefet, enter, continue. Just type Ctrl A to select everything and Shift plus delete of your keyboard to delete permanently. Yes, I can close this. The next command, again, Windows plus R key. Now we'll type the following: temp and enter. Continue. Again, we will use Ctrl A and Shift plus delete to permanently delete everything. Alright, close this window again. One more time. Windows plus R, percentage temp, percentage to access another temporary files from the Windows. Again, select all with Ctrl A and delete permanently with Shift plus delete. Okay. If some file is in use, you can't delete it now. Just skip it. In this last step, again, Windows plus R, and now we type clean mgr. Okay. Command. With this window, we can select everything, also the recycle bin, to clear completely any file we deleted without the Shift plus delete key. OK. Delete files. And that's it. Just wait till the process is complete. So I hope this helped you. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos that can help you. That is it. Thanks for watching.